Okay, so if someone actually does want to opt out, what do you do? There's a new tool under the Tools tab in the dashboard. One is to send someone their information, because people are also now allowed to request what information you have. So if it's in the database, WordPress will just send that off to them. If it's in a comment or a login, the second new tool is to erase the data. So that can be done just with a click of a button. That is for comments and profiles. Now, if somebody wants to opt out of advertising and targeting personal information, I recommend that they use the choices in aboutads.info. That's mostly for the European Union folks. And also remember that any performance or essential cookies that don't work will cause issues with your site. So if people have that much of a problem, we recommend that they take control of their personal data in any way that they choose, using a browser blocker or simply not visiting your site.